Hi, this is Adam with Simple IT. This video is to demonstrate how to install Teamviewer using Microsoft Edge. First step will be to open Edge. Let's left click or double click on the Edge icon. Let's go up top to the location bar. Click in there. Let's type in www.teamviewer.com. Either press enter. On the Teamviewer homepage, there'll be a green download for free button. Let's left click on that. It may or may not open a second window that will initiate the download. Along the bottom, you'll see the what do you want to do with Teamviewer. Let's click save just in case something happens. And click run once it's finished downloading. Obviously, it will depend on how fast your internet connection is. We can close out of the Edge browser by clicking on the X in the upper right hand corner. Close all. Teamviewer setup window should be up by now. We'll leave it at default installation. We'll select personal non-commercial use. Just click on the circular dialog box, or try to. There we go. Then click accept finish, and we'll wait for the download. Click yes in the user account control window that pops up. Now once Teamviewer is finished installing, two windows will pop up. A browser window with some Teamviewer information that you can close out of. There's no need to look at that. The other window will be the Teamviewer program itself. The ID and password is what we're looking for. That's the information that you'll give to the person who will be helping you out. And the browser window's popping up. The Teamviewer window is also coming up. You can just X out of the browser window. There we go. And under Allow Remote Control, we have the ID, we have the password. Just give that information again to the person that you're working with. They'll be able to remote in and assist. Thanks for watching. This is Adam with Simple IT. Have a great day.